trying to get my first solo victory. Okay, yeah, you guys might have already got, YouTubers already got their first solo victory like years ago, like when season 1 alive. I haven't yet, because I started in chapter 2 season 2. Playing Fortnite. I've had a long time. So, I'm trying my best to get a victory royale. I'm going mad rage. I never wanted to pop this off, but you know what? I'm just gonna be so toxic. Whenever I kill somebody, I'm doing a default dance. They're gonna be so mad at me. I'm going laggy nuts, bros. I just need to find where it is. Then emotes me. Well, that works perfectly. Hate it. Shut up, you. Oh. That I'm trying to quick start. I like the common frenzy. Yo! I'm not the only one who has it. I had one more emote to show up to her. Wait, where is it? Okay. Full sweat mode. Am I actually not harmed there? I don't want to harm her, but this is what I need to get the hit. Yeah. Imagine she was second. Oh, that's gonna be a hard choice. To let her get the win or me. She must have gone like sad to win. That's very good. But she might as well also be a bot. No, get it. I need to put the scale more. When I push sweat, it feels like I'm moving. Only so much. But I feel like I'm running to go. Oh yeah, TK change my keyboard. Use a fruit. Die! Die! Okay. I was like so bad. Why is everybody aiming for me? Can people just at least stop? I need to grab this tag. Yeah, I'm coming for you, boy. You called me to do this. Where is he? He's so far. How? How could he shot me? Oh, my hand to He is right. He was lucky. I could have actually killed him. That guy was such a noob. I could have killed him. I need some time to relax. Watch me out later. Let's see when I get calm. Okay, I came back from the toilet. I almost got 2 overload. So I just straight away jumped out, but then I realized I wanted to go to Lazy. So Lazy is my best jump spot. I guess we gotta go to I'll actually be able to go to their house. Please. No. Oh my god. I think we're being lucky. Yeah, boys. I thought I heard footsteps in the house. That was just something. Imagine if I drop that. Wait, was that a harpoon? Yeah. Yes! I know how to get so much fish. 6. And then look at this. What? Okay, the hack is fake. Never mind. I actually thought it was real. I got it from Top 5 Gaming. I watched his videos. Trash. Dude. Oh. Where is it? They're just so toxic. Wait, can I hide? Wait. You're bored. You son of... Second? That's what you get! I swear, man, stop scaring. I never tried it with fish. Listen. Come on, man. You guys can't fight without me. We need those sweats in the game. Where are they? He saw me. Two more minutes until this video could end. I'm doing it on this other thing where I could only film for 15 minutes. I was say 10 seconds, but I'm like, what? 10 seconds. If I actually get the dub, I'm going to put on replay mode in the next video. Or I could just show you where I die, yeah. I should do that. See ya until I die. Or get the... Okay, no, it's too hard. This ginger guy killed me. He was such a sweat. Yeah, these challenges are too hard, man. Find somebody else to get your solo victory. I'm doing these. I'm making this video until I get one, actually. So, yeah, I'm gonna do this until I get it. So yeah. Look at him. Look at him. He's a noob at shooting, but he's stuck to me in the ball. Look at his aim. It's very bad, but he's stuck. It's kind of bad as a good thing, but see you later. Peace.